Hey my loves, today's video is on this curly magenta afro from AISI hair. My name is Lovely Angel Lady, L to the A to the L. Welcome to my channel, loves. Hey my lovely, so in today's video we are getting the deets on this magenta curly girl that I got right here. Just showing you her packaging. So this is an Afro Kinky curly full wig that I got from a company called AISI Hair, and here this wig is straight out of the package. I ordered this wig on Amazon.com. Y'all know I love me some Amazon. So I am just cutting the tags and everything off of the wig. And y'all see she is nice and vibrant. I love the color. But she does have adjustable straps and she has two combs in the front. She does have good stretch and a nice good cap size. No comb in the back, but you can just adjust the straps. If you want, you can wear a wig grip. I'm not going to today. My head is a little bit smaller than average, y'all, but she fits very comfortably with the adjustable straps adjusted pretty good in the back. So I'm taking my handy dandy spray. Y'all know I love this Bobo's Remy wig conditioning spray. I have the link to all of this stuff below for y'all, but yeah, so I like to apply this. It's really good to apply wig conditioner, especially to curly synthetic wigs. So this is a pretty popular style. It's basically short, kinky, curly. It's an afro wig and it's magenta in color. It's nice and full. It's one size fits all, but the adjustable straps make her adjustable. And like I said, you can wear a wig grip if you want added security. But as y'all can see, the length, like if you stretch the curls, the length can be longer. I am choosing to shape mine, so I'm going to trim it down. I want mine shorter. I don't want it like super long. And I'm going to fluff her out. I am going to fluff this girl out. Do you hear me? Okay. So y'all know when you are working with curly synthetic wigs, you have to be careful because you can be looking like a hot tangled mess in a matter of seconds. So when you are snipping and fluffing her out, make sure that you do put wig conditioning spray and don't overdo it. You know what I mean? Usually the longer you wear them, the more natural they look, but sometimes you'll have to like actually cut like little knots and stuff out. So that's not too uncommon. Y'all, I know I've been on such a roll with these bright, colorful wigs. This one just has a lots of volume, okay? She is very nice and full density wise, but you definitely want to do some shaping. If you choose, you can leave yours longer, you know, but my family wants to visit me while I'm filming. Y'all see that? Feel the love, feel the love. But anyway, so yeah, y'all, she is premium material made of high quality synthetic heat resistant fiber. Which I don't know that I would want to apply heat to a kinky curly synthetic wig. It's like, what are you doing, sis? You know, like, what are you doing? So this chica is she's some work, and you know, if you get your fingers caught somewhere, you know, she will knot up and tangle up a little bit, but I think she'll last for a good amount of time, y'all. She's super cute. I got her for $18.99, but prices are subject to change. But she was under 20 bucks, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just fluff her until you can't no more, y'all. That's pretty much it. Do some trimming. And this is pretty much what you get. This beautiful magenta afro curly diva right here. I love y'all. I will catch you in the next video. Make sure you are chatting with your girl on social media. Make sure that you share this video, please. Spread the love. Sharing is caring. And I'm going to catch y'all next time. Later, loves.